Take a ride in the 2024 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.